This is the elevator at, where is this? It's a hotel. A Fairfield Inn and Suites in North Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 3. So no floor passing chime. And this is just a Schindler MT 300A. Let's go down to 1. So there's your COVID protocols. There's your certificate. Because this is a pretty basic elevator, I think we're just going to take one ride. And also someone else might want to use this car anyway. So there's your cab view. And it's a pretty basic elevator. Anyway, before we end, there's your map. And that'll be it.